Hi and welcome to a video where I will show you how to set the time and date on the ECB-10. Setting the time and date on ECB-10 is done like this. Whilst in the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold down this button over here at 3 o'clock until you hear the beep, and the city code will appear on the upper digital display. So you heard the beep and my city code is Sarajevo. So the hands are moving out of the way so we can have better access to the digital display and setting the watch in general. First in a row setting is, as I previously said, the home city setting, and we can shuffle between the home cities by pressing the this and this button over here. So let me go and show you. You have the Prague, you have the Rio de Janeiro, Halifax, I believe, yes. But you get the principle. Rotate with using these two buttons. Let me get back to my time zone. That's the Paris time zone. Once we are done with the setting our home city, pressing the mode button over here, that's the button at 40, the lower left one, we get shifted to setting the DST time. So DST, it's the daylight saving time mode. We can shift it between off, on, or auto. Next press of the mode button gets us to 12 or 24-hour timekeeping, and pressing the lower right button we shift to 24-hour time format. Next press of the button gets us to setting the seconds value, and you can see the seconds are flashing on the circular digital display. Now you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset the value using this button over here. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the hour value, again using this upper right button and the lower right button. You can increase or decrease the value of hours. Again, I'm mentioning that this is the manual setup of your watch. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the minutes. Procedure is the same, so these two buttons over here to increase or decrease the value. Next press of the button gets us to date display format. So you have month, day, date, you have the day, month, and month, day, date. So you can shift between those options. Next press of the button gets us to year setting, and you can see the year is blinking on the circular digital display. Increase or decrease, again the same procedure using these two buttons. Next press gets us to setting the month value. So again, using these two buttons you can increase or decrease the value of month setting, month value. Next press of the mode button gets us to day setting. You can increase or decrease using these two buttons over here. Next press, day of the week language. You can shift it between English, Spanish, French, Deutschland or German, and Italian, Russian, and back to English. I'm gonna leave it in English. Next press of the mode button over here gets us to appointment notification, tone on or off. It's set to the beep, and that stands, you can set the appointment settings with your phone, and the watch will remind you of your settings. So currently you have your set to beep, but you can turn it off or turn it on. Next press of the mode button, button operation tone. The key stands for the illumination tone, the button operation tone is turned on. Once you press the lower right button, you can mute it or get it back to on. Next press of the button gets the auto light switch. The auto light switch is the option for you to use it when you flick your wrist. While your watch is on your wrist, it will automatically turn on illumination, so you can have the better readout of your time. Currently it's set to off, and I'm going to leave it at off. Next press of the mode button gets us to the illumination duration. You can set between 1 and 3. 1 stands for the 1.5 seconds duration of your illumination when you press the illuminate button, and the 3 stands for 3-second duration. Next press gets us to the airplane mode. You can turn it on or off, but I'm gonna leave it at off. Airplane mode is the mode when your watch will simply turn itself off, something similar to your phone, and it will not beep or alarm you in any way, or not interfere with the radio signals at the airplane. So basically we all know what does airplane mode mean. Next press of the mode button gets us back to the beginning and setting our time zone. That would be the whole cycle of setting the time and date and other settings on this watch. Once you're done with all of your settings, simply push the setting button once again, and we are back to the standard timekeeping mode. Thank you very much for watching. Please do leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more watch content. Thanks.